So it has come to my attention that humans are getting stupid. But before I continue, like, comment, share. Recent studies have suggested that humans are losing their ability to think critically, or rather, our critical thinking ability is being reduced or in decline because of our over reliance on technology. We can agree with this, right? But guess what? You know how me come to this conclusion before me read that article? Is that some people will watch a simple movie. Let me give you an example. I know most of you have watched or heard about the movie named Sinners. So that movie was so simple and straightforward, yet so many people watched it and did not understand what was going on. And before you go off, I understand that multiple people can read or watch something and come away with different interpretations. However, when someone takes up a simple movie like that and did not understand what was going on, it's a sign of the times. People, we need to start reading more. We need to start think more. But hey, that's my thoughts. What are yours?